Hello, it's Paul from Heyner, UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on the Montages. That's a model produced between 2008 and 2015. This car takes wiper blades in size 26 inch on driver side and 14 on passenger side. Okay, first we're going to remove 26 inch long driver side. As you can see, this one and this one, they're quite different, but they all going on the hook so in this one, we just need to lift the cover up. So we need to squeeze it and open, and then push hook wiper arm, and then we can release it. Now we're gonna fit 26-inch long blade on the driver's side. We'll need hook adapter and the cover. So first, we take B1 adapter, place it here, click it, and then we place this way cover. Now we're going to open the cover, so that will give us access to adapter, place the hook, and now it's very important to the hook need to go over the metal arm, so that's not properly fitted. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lift it, twist, so you can see here like adapter goes up, and now as you can see it's properly fitted, so and it's secured. Now we close the cover and this side is done. Now we're gonna do passenger side. Yeah, first we're gonna remove this one. This one is a bit different. You need to leave this. Sometimes you need screwdriver to leave this cover and then push the arm, and then you can release like 14-inch long blade. Inside here we've got cover as well, white per blade, and the hook, it's right on the bottom in the little bag. Manuals here and bag with adapter. In this size it comes with additional one, but we won't need it. We only need this one. Again, we take adapter, fit the cover, open it, place the hook, pre-fitted. Now we twist it. And job done. Enjoy new wiper blades. Thank you for watching.